When I was 10 years old, my grandmother, she asked me what did I want to eat, and I said candy yams. She asked if I wanted to know how to make candy yams. Then I said yes. Then we had to go to the supermarket. We got yellow yams, well, orange, yellow yams. And then we had to pick up about 4 or 5. And then we pick up our ingredients, which is marshmallows, cinnamon, and syrup. And then we brought it back to the house. And then we got a pan. We had to boil the yams for about an hour or so. And when we boiled them, I had to peel them and skin them off. And then after that, we had to cut the yams and then place them in a pan and then squirt the syrup all over and the marshmallows and the cinnamon. And we put them in the oven for about 30 minutes and then after that, we had to take them out. We set them on the table and everybody was eating. We had shrimp on the table, we had fried chicken. We had a whole bunch of food. And everybody started digging in and eating. And everybody asked, who made this? Who made this? And I said, I did. And everybody liked it.